So what's your take? You think, oh, the deranged doctor here, or Dr. Deranged, think I can build something that's bulletproof? At least for one round? Let's find out.
It's time. Derange time. Let's get to it.
Welcome back to another episode with Dr. Deranged. Yep, today we're going to teach you, maybe we're going to learn too, possibly how to make a ballistic plate panel, something bulletproof, something that'll slow down a bullet, something that'll stop a bullet, using only stuff that we found at our local Lowe's. So this right here, this is just regular old porcelain tile, whatever you want to call it. It's like $1.97 a piece. Yep, I picked up 3 of these. I also picked up 4 of these. Now these are ceramic tile. So we've got 4 of these. The big tile I got are 12 inches by 12 inches. These tile right here are 6 by 6. Another thing we got was the trusty dusty duct tape. And we got some heavy duty, strong liquid nails, just to adhere some of this stuff together. We also bought this, and I've already cut these, and I'll show you. So this is a painter's torp, or whatever you call it, for paint. You put it down on the ground. It was like I think it was a 6 by 8 or something like that. I've already cut it. But anyhow, it's a painter's torp. What I've done is also, all right, so these are squares. They ain't cut pretty, but I don't care. I'm gonna trim them up at the end. These are the pieces of the painter's torp that's just cut in 12 by 12. And then I bought some 12 mil plastic. It's just regular 12 mil plastic. And it's pretty tough, but I'm using that as a binder to help bind some of this stuff together. So we're gonna heat up. If you can't see, let me show you right down here. All right, so I've got 5 layers of each. Not counting this one. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 5. So I've got 5 layers of these, and then I've got a wrap to go around these. I'm going to heat press these. I'm going to put them on the panels, in between the panels, glue the panels together, and then my final, I'm going to wrap it with this. For a backing plate, this is just a thin, I think it's 22 gauge piece of metal. That's for the backing plate. So, I don't know if you can see this. We got like a little griddle out here. And I'm trying it. I don't know if this is going to work. It should. There's some heat coming off of it. What we're trying to do, we're trying to press the layers together and get them binded. So this is basically what we just did out of all that. Made this panel here. You can see where we've been pressing it. We're pressing this one right now, working on it. Getting our press on, but this is just canvas, like painter's canvas, and plastic, 12 mil plastic. So right now, if nothing else, maybe this will make our Spalding layer or something, but we're going to use this. This is going to help us. All right, so while that one's cooking up, we're going to go with a couple little steps here. I'll show you kind of what I'm going to do. You can do whatever you would like to do, but I'll show you what I'm going to do. So first thing we're going to do, What do you think? Think it's gonna hold up?